Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reuse silica gel. First, gather your used silica gel packets. These small packets are excellent at absorbing moisture, which helps protect various items from humidity damage. Instead of throwing them away, you can easily reactivate them at home. This simple process not only saves you money, but also significantly reduces waste, making it a smart and eco-friendly practice. There are a few effective ways to reactivate your silica gel. One common method is baking them in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours. Alternatively, you can microwave them on medium power for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to check them frequently to prevent overheating. For a more passive approach, simply place the packets in direct sunlight for several days until they are completely dry. Once reactivated, it's crucial to store your silica gel packets in an airtight container immediately to prevent them from reabsorbing moisture from the air. You can then use them to protect a variety of items, such as sensitive electronics, important documents, or valuable tools. They are also great for placing in gym bags or shoe boxes to absorb unwanted odors and keep things fresh. To maximize the lifespan of your silica gel, replace packets when they no longer change color or feel heavy, indicating they've reached their absorption limit. For easier monitoring, consider using color-indicating silica gel, which changes color when saturated. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient. This simple habit can save you money and keep your belongings safe from moisture damage for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.